And I would like to invite our in charge sir, please come on to the dais. Lakshmikant sir, please come on to the dais. Now I would like to invite all my dear staff members, please come on to the dais to garland the Chhatrapati Shivaji.
1680. Over 300 forts controlled is ruling. Don't stop. शिवाजी महाराज की, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की. So I would like to invite
respected teachers, and on behalf of my children, good evening. Today we are commemorating death and my birth anniversary of the greatest of all kings in India. I ever venerate and I consider Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He fought for justice of human rights. Some things are already said, that's why I don't want to take. I don't encroach your valuable time. Few things I can say, which are related till today. We can learn from him about justice for human rights and religious tolerance. From him we have to learn one thing is endurance, constant is a warfare. And also he is a pioneer of guerrilla warfare and also father of Indian Navy. Not only for, he is a pride of our Hindu people, Hindu country. He is a pride of wherever go, how long live India.
Good evening. I'm honored here to speak about the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was born in Maharashtra. Shivanagari is the port of the Shivanagari. His father name is Shaja Bhonsle and mother name is Jijiaba. At the age of the 16 years, he conquered the invaded that one of the port, that is Torani port, nearby the Pune. Pune is one of the biggest district in Maharashtra. In the Torrent, he conquered, he invaded that Torrent port. After that, he conquered the many ports. He engaged in many ports and victorious about that history. 300 ports he conquered. As a victorious, he made that bravery and courage and violent and devotional.
A loved devotional temple, Bhavani temple, was been destroyed by Mughals. Then she went to her son and said, the Mughals were destroying our temples. Then he invaded almost every empire in the India and he were Akhand Bharat. So he has been named the Chhatrapati Shivaji. So by this he was honored with the name Chhatrapati. So he made the whole of India into a single piece. It is called Akhand Bharat. He lived for only 50 years, but we have been celebrating his legacy nearly 397 years. Why we are celebrating 397 years of birth anniversary of Shivaji? Because his legacy was living with us for 397 years and will be lived for many other years also. Our future generations also would inspire from the fights and everything of Shivaji, and they should inspire and live like a legend in any conditions. Do not fear. If you are brave, you can do anything. If you are feared for anything, you cannot get anything to your goals. So be brave for do anything. Thank you for doing this.